Dust on my boots, sun on my brow, just like my daddy, learning how to work this herd the way he taught me to. The generations before, seeing this whole thing through. Same old fences, same old creeks, where the history of our family speaks. Yeah, our roots run deep on this cattle farm. Keeps my soul warm, keeps me safe